Encoded project, and today we have a new video from C++. In this video we want to create the Morse code program with C++. It's very easier than you think. It's very easy. It's not very hard like yesterday's project, but it's very interesting and very good for learning, because here today we want to learn the one new library. It's named Android Red Map, and it's very good. Let's go. For add the IO string, so we sharp include IO string, and then we add the string, then sharp include on road map, like always using namespace std and semicolon. We want one function string, its name Morse. It gets one input to a string text. Let's go for creating the body of it. Also we can write it here like this. I guess one semicolon to it. Then we come here, write int main, and we open the main. In the main we write one string text, string text, cout, enter text, and semicolon. Also we get line. For getting the string we use getLine. Scene text and not imported parameter. Also we want writing a string Morse code equal Morse text and cout Morse code with end line. And like always we return 0. It's very easy. Let's go for creating the body of the Morse function. Okay, we create it here for the body. We come here and write on our head map char and a string. Char and a string. Here we write the name char to, for example, dots or Morse equal 1 list. Okay, let's create it. Here I have one list because it's very big. I created it last time before recording the video, and I copy and paste it here. You can write it for yourself, or also you can use some AIs of YouTube and copy it from my video. YouTube have this AI for copying the video and copying text from video. And Okay. Two, 0. It's okay. We get the semicolon to here. Okay, and then here we write a string again. Morse encode equal now. For one reference to char C to text. It's working on the text. This text we're getting from user. Because here we want to get, I don't get this error here, so we write Morse code, and now we're okay. Let's create the body of the for. C equal to upper and C. Why we write it here? Because here we use the only upper upper characters, big E, big A, and something like this, so we can write it here with a smaller, but here only we use upper for making upper this variable. It's very easy. And if a segment char to dot dot find C not equal char to dot dot and come here and in the statement of it Morse code plus equally to char underline dot parameter of C and plus one space. It's very easy, and we create one else. Morse code plus equal C plus string okay, it's finished now. Let's write and we get the Morse code of it. If you have any question, you can write it at the comment. If you want to help me, please like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends. And if you have any feedback, you can write it at comments. And today I upload one new shorts. You can watch it. It's very good. Thank you for watching my video. Like always, here's Project, and goodbye.